it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. What's good guys, it's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafia. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but your good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you're not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I will be taking you guys on a journey with me. I am currently at Hilton Hotel here in Montego Bay, so I figured why not just record so I can have content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's not going to be a lot because I'm already at the hotel, but I'm going to make it worthwhile, so continue watching. Let's go. So y'all, I just finished changing my clothes into my swimwear because I'm going to go out and do some activities as well as get some stuff to eat because I'm like super hungry. So let's go.